Back to Bryan's 59. We're finally reassembling. Now, in the carb kit, there are multiple base plate to main body gaskets. Definitely have to go hunt to find the right one, because there's like 5 of these babies. Maybe more. Who knows? There's a shitload. Anyway, anywho, that's the right one. So this guy goes on this guy, and they get screwed together. So we go assemble. All right, so we got Bryan's 1 out of 2 carb here. Getting ready to set her back on, clean the mating surface, gonna bolt her down, get her all ready to go. We're not gonna be able to fire her up today, but we're gonna be extremely close. But we also still have to do the valve cover gaskets as well. And we just not enough time today. All right, we've got our carb mounted in position. It's just all there loosely. It's ready to go. So next time we come over, finish it up, fire her up.